series of lessons, we want to talk about insert, smart art, and charts. If you go to your tab and click on insert, your insert will bring up this ribbon of your illustrations. Now, we've already discussed the inserting pictures and shapes and icons, 3D models. This time we want to talk about inserting smart art. So if you click your smart art button, you're going to get the smart art graphics dialog box. In this box is basically charts. And it opens initially with the all. All is going to show you all the art, smart arts that are in this dialog. You can customize it easier by going to list if you know which one is that you want to do. So you can go to list or cycles or whatever smart art you desire to use. I want to do an organizational chart, so I'm going to click on hierarchy. So in the hierarchy, you have these charts for your hierarchy. Over to your right, you'll see where you have examples of what your format, what your style is going to look like. So you click here, and you see the different styles of your smart art. I want to keep it basic and simple and go with this one. Once you click on there, then you get your box to come up. Now, what's cool about smart art is you don't have to generate or create from scratch your own style of chart or flow chart. It just simply is already done as a template. If you go up to here, you see what here you can change the colors if you desire to have different colors for your art. So if you scroll and hover your mouse over, you can see how that changes the colors to whatever it is that you prefer for your chart. Here you have your different styles and layouts. What I like about this one is that, like, if you want to put a picture in your box, you can go your pictures here. If you just want to put a name, you can put a name here. And what I want to do is enter a text. Now, in this version, you have your text outline. So whatever text you type in your box will also show up on this outline. So it's a hierarchical. So I want to go. I'm going to type the president. Let's go vice. NT. And let's go administrator. Now notice as we type into the text that the text aligns itself up and resizes itself. Resize itself to fit into the box. For simplicity, I'm going to keep it like this. Now, another one of the cool things about this one is you can come into your styles, and then you can change your styles. If you hover over, you see the different styles that change for your smart art. And I like this one. That looks pretty cool, pretty beveled. Now, if you come over to, let's close the dialog box right here. Close this out. Now, if you come over to your add shapes, on your add shapes, if you click the drop down arrow, you can add another shape into your chart. Shape after, before, above. Let's do a shape after. And if you notice the shape after, now I have an additional box in which I can select and put my text in. To put text in, you open your text pane, and then you type your text here. Let's do just another box. Now, from here, if you go into we're still talking about creating graphics. You can click different to promote, which will take it up to promote it, or you can click here to demote it. You can also go right or left to switch the chart to the right or to the left. And then you can move up and down. You can also select a layout. And selecting the layout is basically the same thing as your layouts here. If you go to the format, we've discussed this in previous models. Format just allows you to change some of your text and your data within the boxes. Same thing with field and letters. Back to smart design. Now, if you've done all this and you're not liking what you see, you can just simply go to reset graphic and take you right back to where you were before you made all your changes. And you can see right now we're just plain. That's all I have right now for smart art. Next, we want to go into talk about smart charts, and we'll do that in our next set of lessons. Thank you for listening, and I ask that you continue to be blessed by God. God bless you.